How to send snaps from camera roll as a normal snap. Want to send snaps from your camera roll that look just like a regular snap? Whether you're trying to share a memory or a cool photo, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your Snapchat app. You'll land on the camera screen, but instead of taking a photo, we'll access your camera roll. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the Memories section. Here, you'll see two main tabs, Snaps and Camera Roll. Tap on Camera Roll. Now, select the photo or video you'd like to send. Once you've chosen it, tap on it to open. You'll notice the editing tools pop up at the side, just like when you take a normal snap. Add filters, stickers, text, or whatever you'd like to make it more fun. Once you're done editing, tap the Send to arrow in the bottom right corner. Choose the friend or friends you want to send it to, and hit Send. The photo will now appear like a regular snap in their chat. If you want even more customization, you can explore third-party apps like Snap Upload. These allow you to send camera roll photos as a snap without the From Camera Roll label. But remember, always be cautious when using third-party apps to protect your account. And that's it. Now you can share your favorite memories from your camera roll as if they were taken in the moment. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.